Did you call her?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
She said no.
Oh.
Is he still tripping him?
No, not anymore.
Yeah. It's not.
Can you close my backpack pocket, Raquel, so I don't?
No.
This is so funny. I can't see.
Now everybody wants to get kicked in the head.
Oh no, he's gonna run the other way and then he's gonna kick him again.
Oh!
I did!
It's like they
Go on
did.
this side where you can see something.
Oh my god, this guy's flying. Oh, oh! Oh my god.
They're always flipping around.
What is this guy doing to these children? Oh, 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 no, 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 no. Oh, oh!
You should be...
My mom
Shoved it into his mother.
Because she thinks I'm not old enough.
Did you tell her Sarah gets to go?
Yeah. She just...
Watch, watch, watch.
But...
Oh! Dang, what is this guy doing?
That's because the body gotta go potty.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, she got that thing.
Right?